Ever wonder how to maximize muscle function and cognitive clarity while sticking to a keto lifestyle? Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share how creatine has become a cornerstone of my carnivore and keto lifestyle. As someone who focuses on strength training and cognitive clarity, I prioritize creatine supplementation, taking 10 grams daily mixed with water, pink Himalayan salt, and a splash of my favorite electrolyte blend. Let me show you how integrating creatine into my keto lifestyle keeps me powered for strength training, sharp for decision making, and consistent with my health goals. Let's start with my morning routine, since hydration and electrolytes are just as important as macronutrients on keto. I begin with a hearty breakfast of bacon and eggs. No carbs, just pure protein and healthy fats to keep me full and energized. Next up, my creatine ritual. 10 grams of creatine powder mixed with water, pink Himalayan salt, and a splash of electrolytes. This combination helps replenish electrolytes, which are essential for maintaining water balance and muscle function. Creatine not only boosts physical performance, but also enhances cognitive benefits like focus, memory, and mental clarity. It's a simple way to stay hydrated, support muscle contractions, and gain that mental edge throughout the day. Now, let's move on to lunch. Staying in ketosis while keeping meals satisfying. I opted for crispy chicken wings, a perfect keto choice. The skin is rich in healthy fats, while the meat delivers high-quality protein. I season them with low-carb spices to keep things flavorful without breaking ketosis. To round out the meal, I added a couple of hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source, packed with vitamins like A, D, E, and B12, plus choline for brain health. They're also incredibly versatile. I batch cook them for snacks or add them to meals. Plus, research shows dietary cholesterol from eggs doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol for most people. This combo keeps me full, fueled, and in ketosis. For dinner, I grilled a juicy ribeye steak, taking advantage of its generous marbling, those visible fat streaks in the meat, which provide a rich source of healthy fats essential for a keto diet. To enhance the flavor and add extra nutritional benefits, I finished it off with a pat of grass-fed butter. Grass-fed butter not only adds a delicious taste, but also offers higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, and fat-soluble vitamins compared to conventional butter. This combination keeps me full, fueled, and in ketosis. Thanks for watching. If you're considering a carnivore or keto lifestyle, let me know in the comments what challenges you're facing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more journey updates.